the quickest way to improve as a trader, I always say, is in the risk management side of things by just reducing trade size. I think that if you trade with like a minimal trade size, a lot of the things that are initially holding back traders for the first couple of years, which is seeing your account swing by 30% every week, that is not going to be sustainable. So what I really, really think people should think about doing, this is something I did that changed my life, and credit to somebody I used to watch many years ago. You might know, you might not, but his name was Rob Booker. What he would always say in his videos that resonated with me and changed my trading trajectory really was everyone's so focused on making like $1,000 a day, whereas he was really focused on talking about making $1 and keeping $1 and just keeping your position size very, very small. It erodes away a lot of the psychological side of trading. I think a lot of people blame trading psychology for what's holding them back in their trading, when I would argue it's most likely risk management or a lack of an edge in your system. Those two things, I would say, dramatically outweigh the importance of trading psychology, because a lot of times people use the concept of trading psychology to excuse their gambling habits. So to me, it's, if you trade stocks, trade with one share. If you trade Forex, trade 0.01, trade one mini contract on futures, whatever you do, trade the size for a while and watch what happens to your headspace. It's way more clear because you're like, okay, this is boring. And you're like, oh, wait, that's what trading's supposed to be. Trading is supposed to be boring. It's not supposed to be this, lights in a casino feeling. So, I would say reduce position size is the quickest way to improve as a trader, because then you can start thinking logically about your system and not so much about your P&L.